defendant was in a relationship with Ms. Sumpter, and what I told the court today was that the defendant had shot her in the head, and she was found inside of a vehicle, and he has admitted to that shooting.
Because prior to this, Sheneice called me and said he had hit her. 3 officers, Sarah Lynn officers, came to visit them. She had no marks on her at all, and she wouldn't even give them his name. So if she was in such a threat, it seemed like she would have gave him his name then. She told me, "Mama, be quiet, because I'm fine." She didn't have if y'all contact the police, she didn't have a scratch on her. I'm not speaking ill of her because I loved her too. They had their problems. But on the night, my son has an alibi. He has an alibi and nobody even checked it. He was on Moffett Road. I know my son didn't do this. I know it in my heart. I didn't raise a monster. They had their problems. Don't get me wrong. All couples do. But I know my son is innocent. And it's going to be proven because he has an alibi. Nobody's wanted to check his alibi.
On Moffett Road, where was he?
He's on Moffett Road at this girl house.
Okay.
Police and already went over there and seen that's where he was. And on the 9th, I got phone records where I called him all day.
He texted me because...
And I picked him up on Moffett at 7:21 on Moffett Road. They said he responded to a shooting at 6:25. There's no way I went down the Bay Road that he could be back there and looking clean to his mother and being... I can tell when something's wrong with my son. There was nothing wrong with my son.
That area of Bay Road, Sheneice's family said they never even went to that area.
Right.
Of Bay Road. Has he ever been there?
No, and we keep hearing that she was dating some other guy named Mike. Not to bring nobody else in it, but they need to investigate somewhere else, because on May the 9th, my son was nowhere near that. He was on Moffett Road, and I got witnesses.
Jennifer, I guess one thing, I know you can't go into a lot of detail, but his mother was very adamant that there was some other guy involved with Sheneice, some guy named Mike. Is there anything that might, even though he might have admitted to this, is there any reason why you guys might think there's someone else involved?
No, not at this time.